In this tutorial on how to use Facebook, we will be covering how to add friends, posting, liking and commenting, groups, marketplace, pages, and the watch tab. Use the clickable sections below to keep track of your steps during this tutorial. Once you're signed in on your homepage, tap the search icon and type in the name of the person you want to add as a friend. When you find them, you can either tap the Add Friend icon or go to their profile and tap Add Friend. The process is similar on desktop, and you can even hover over their name and click Add Friend from the pop-up. The friend you add will then accept or deny your request. To write a post or status, tap the What's on Your Mind field and then tap the Write Something box. Once you're done typing, you can select the public box to control who sees your post. You can also change the background of your post, add photos and videos, tag specific friends, and much more. To like and comment on a post, scroll down on your feed until you see a compelling post. Hold down the like icon and choose the emotion that best suits how you feel about that post. To comment on a post, tap the comment box here. If you want to respond to a specific person or comment, tap reply and the person will be tagged in your comment. Facebook groups are community spaces to network with friends, acquaintances, or strangers with similar interests to connect and discuss shared topics. To join a group, search the keyword that describes the group you want to join. Select the Groups tab on mobile or under search results on desktop and find the group you want to join. Some groups are public and will allow you to join instantly, while others that may be public or private will need to approve your request before you can join. Facebook Marketplace is a destination for people to discover, buy, and sell items. Tap the hamburger menu, then tap Marketplace on mobile. You will also find it on your desktop homepage. Make sure to update the city you're in to get accurate listings. People can find what they're looking for by filtering the results by location, category, and price. Tap the Categories tab and select the specific category based on your needs and wants. You can also select local listings if you want to see a variety of items being sold in your area. Once you see an item you're interested in, you can contact the seller over Messenger to inquire more about the item or make an offer. Make sure not to provide any personal or payment information over Messenger. To sell an item, tap the Sell tab and create a new listing. You'll be prompted to select one of 4 categories for the item or service you wish to sell. Select the appropriate category, then follow the prompts to finish your listing. Facebook pages are public profiles specifically created for businesses, brands, celebrities, causes, and other organizations. Tap the hamburger menu, then tap Pages on mobile. You can also find it on your desktop homepage here. Tap the Discover tab to find pages of businesses or organizations that you're interested in, and tap the like icon to follow them. To create your own page for a business or organization you're passionate about, select the Create tab and follow the prompts to finish creating your page. You will also be able to access all your various pages here as well. Facebook Watch is a section on Facebook that allows you to view, share, react, and comment on videos uploaded by creators and publishers. Tap the hamburger menu, then tap Watch on mobile. Watch can also be found here on your desktop homepage.